Hello, welcome to my channel Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, staying safe, being positive and happy. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment and share. And if you have already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all the love guys. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please follow me there. And the topic for today is what is coming this September 2020. So what's coming guys, let's see. So we have three groups here, group 1, group 2 and group 3. So we have different colors and crystals also, so you can select from these two. So the first group is this color, orange color, and this crystal here. Then I'll show it again if you want more time. Okay, so this is the first group, and then the second group is this green color, aventurine, and this green paper, this green color paper. Okay, so that is for group 2. And for my group 3s are lapis lazuli and this purple. Okay, so you can go with numbers also, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so close your eyes, meditate, take deep breaths and empty your mind. No more thinking, just relax and select a pile intuitively, which is, which you feel connected to. Just select that may have an answer for your question or clarification or inspiration, motivation, anything guys. So just take what resonates and leave the rest behind. This is a general reading, right? Okay, hello group 1, whoever chose this orange color and this crystal. So let's get on to your reading. So you chose the orange color. The orange color, I feel you're going to be very, very creative this month, and you will be very passionate about the things you need in your life, whether it's a relationship or a career, whatever it is. You're going to be very, very passionate, and you will be like yourself, and you will know what you want from your life finally, and you will be doing what makes you happy. I feel like that you're going to express yourself this month. Okay, so let's see what the cards have to say. First card is stress. So I feel you are that kind of person who is like stressing so much at the same time, thinking too many things or doing too many things at the same time, and because of that you're stressing out. Look, this person is trying to do so many things at the same time, and that's why they get stressed, right? You get stressed because of that. So maybe you have a relationship, maybe you have a career, so you're just like juggling and you're getting stressed. But I feel in the month of September you're breaking free from that stress. Okay, you're breaking free from a relationship that is not serving you, or breaking free from a career that is not serving you. So something is like ending here, and you know that you want to be free and you're taking your freedom back. Okay, so maybe it's a thinking pattern. Okay, you're breaking free from that can also be the small thing. Maybe you're stressing about something, and finally you realize that you don't need that, right? You don't need to think too much. So from the cage that you have built inside your mind, you're breaking free from that cage. That can also be there this month. So you're like going into more of a positive thinking pattern and not thinking anything that is not good for you. Okay, so that is coming here. And so your stress levels are going to go down this month, and you're understanding why things happen, and you're understanding that things happen for a reason. Okay, and I feel like many of you are going to be like in the spiritual path also. That's why you're understanding and you're trying to go within. I feel like that you're understanding yourself. Finally you're realizing why are you here, and you're being true to yourself. Okay, you're like knowing what is your shadow self. Okay, here I feel like you're understanding yourself more and more and more day by day. Okay, so that's why you're breaking free from this pattern and look beyond illusion. So you're like you know what is good for yourself. You're embracing truth. Okay, I feel like that you're going to a new path, a spiritual path. I feel like that's why you're understanding more about yourself, what you want in your life. Maybe a pattern that is not helpful, and you're breaking free from that. Maybe a relationship, career, whatever the situation is, or thinking patterns, negative thinking patterns, anything, you're breaking free. So from this so in the month of September, I feel like many of you are breaking the patterns and making a way for freedom. You're getting independent in the month of September, and you're feeling like yes, this is what you want. You want freedom. You want to express yourself. You want to express your truth. So you're expressing your passion. You're very passionate this month. You're getting out of this illusion that you have created for yourself about things, about a relationship, about a career, or whatever, because of the society. So you're breaking free from that, and you're going to do what you want from your heart. You're understanding that it's not good to be in a cage. It's better to be free, and you're going to do what you like, what you want, what resonates with you, you know, that kind of thing you're going to do in the month of September. So you're just, wow, beautiful. You're exploring yourself. Finally you're moving towards your soul purpose. I feel many of you are going what their soul wants, you know, what is true for them. That is what, not what other people want for you. You're doing what you want for yourself. So that is what freedom. I sense freedom here. You're getting, you're free from all the baggages, whatever situation it is. You're just freeing yourself. Look at this traveling. So this can mean a lot of things. Many of you are might be traveling, or going to different places, or moving houses, or relocating. Something like that can happen here. Moving from a situation that is not good for you, moving from the cage, breaking yourself free from this relationship, career, or whatever that is stressing you out, and moving to a better place. Okay, things are happening soon. So relocation is possible in the month of September here, and you are going to a place where you will be fulfilled, you will be happy, you will be yourself, and you will be expressing yourself passionately, or passionately in a relationship. You will be going to a relationship where there will be passion. I feel like that, to a career where there will be passion, not doing because other people want you to do that, or what others says you do that. If you're doing like that now, you will be changing that pattern in the month of September. So you're freeing yourself from so many things, and it can be a simple thing also, like breaking your thinking pattern, overthinking, and getting, understanding yourself. You're understanding yourself more because you're in this path of spirituality. So maybe it's like going from one phase to another, understanding yourself more. That can also be there, and embracing the truth over fear, and letting that self-doubt go away, and believing in yourself, having confidence. That can also be there. So you're going to be very confident in whatever you do in this month. So this month of September, you're going to be confident, you're going to be free, you're going to be independent, and you're going to be stress free. I feel like that you're just you're aware of your stresses, and you're aware what you want to think, what you don't want to think. You're so aware because you're spiritually gifted people. I feel like that. So that's why you're aware of that. Okay, so that will be a very good, you will be in a very good place. I feel like that. Look what came next. Allowing. So I feel like finally you're allowing things that you have been restricting, maybe because of your fears. You have been not doing the things you wanted to do. Finally you're going to do the things you were fearful about, and finally you're allowing the things you're like doing. First, maybe you have done manifestations, and things might not have been that way because you were not allowing that things, because you were stressing out. So finally you're doing that. You're allowing, you're growing, you're exploring yourself. And this is a month of exploration. You're understanding yourself more and getting into the next stage of your spirituality, I feel like, for many of you. And there is a shift happening, and a cycle is ending here, and a new cycle is beginning, and that cycle will bring you success. So I feel this month is about reflection. You're seeing the things from a positive attitude, and that is where you will allow the things. So wow. And I see a V, and I feel victory, like, so there is victory. Wow. Okay, look, fifth house, Leo house, you got passion. You will be this creative thing. You will be very, very creative. You will be very passionate about the things you want from your life, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a career, whether it's anything, whether it's your spirituality. You will be very passionate about it. You will go and get it. Like, that kind of passion is there, and you will be very happy. You will be for many of you, you will have the center stage. You will be sharing your gifts, and people will be appreciating you because you will have that kind of like energy where you will be like that everyone will be recognizing you for your work, something like that. And I feel in a relationship also you will be like recognized, the passion will be strong here. The relationship will be very, very passionate. I feel like that. Maybe you're breaking free from a relationship that is not so passionate and going into a new relationship, something like that. So something new is coming, so new energies. And look, teaching. So maybe you're passionate about teaching. You will be very passionate about that. For many people, you will be teaching children's, or you may be like, whatever you have inside you, you'll be giving it to other people. Like whatever knowledge, whatever experiences you have, you'll be giving out to other people. So it's not only children, you will be teaching other people also. Like it's just a conversation with your friend. You will be, making understand them few things. That can also happen this month. And look at this higher learning. You're learning, you're exploring yourself, you're growing insight. Okay, you're changing your perspective about things. So there's so much learning. And for many people, you're taking a course, you're learning more, online classes, something like that also is possible in the month of September. And you want to, maybe in spiritual lessons you're taking spiritual online classes, something like that. Okay, and whatever you learn, you will teach it to other people. So that's beautiful. Okay, look, we have this walking away, and then we got the card, look, door to romance. So you're walking away from a relationship that is not serving you, and you're going to a new thing, so there's new energy coming. As I said, new energy. You're walking away from the stress, you're allowing new things to come into your life. Maybe you were not you were not in that position where you were like holding on to this situation, but finally you're letting go of that situation, and new things are coming into your life finally. Okay, we can see the number 33. That will be important for you also. Okay, so yeah, new love, new passion, and this love will be very, very passionate. I feel like that you will be very passionate. Passion, so much of creativity, like that kind of thing is coming here. And look, we have new love and honeymoon. So this new love is for sure for many people, or maybe I think some partnership is like growing, because you will be in the honeymoon stage where you will be exploring with with your better half, and you will be like exploring, you will be having a good time together. So this month is all about passionate. You will be passionate towards your career. Maybe your new love is your career, who knows? Something like that. Anything, you will be exploring yourself, you will be so happy with yourself, and you will be letting go of the things that is not serving you, and you're letting go of the stress, small things that is not serving you will be letting go. So for some it will be like letting go of the thoughts, for some it is like letting go of the career that is not serving them, for some it will be a relationship. So whatever it is, you're letting go of the things and you're embracing the truth. You're finally coming into yourself, where you're understanding yourself and what you finally want. Okay, so that is what you are very aware. You will be very aware this month, and so that's why you will be allowing things and receiving things. Yeah, it's time for receiving. I feel like that instead of stressing, you will be receiving things, because you will let go out of the outcome. You will not be, you will be like not into this outcome. You will be on a journey. You will be embracing, you will be like happy in your journey. I feel like that. That's why you will be allowing things. And passion is so strong here. So yes, so much of passion for your career, for your love life, for teaching, whatever it is. You will be very, very passionate. And so that's why you will be moving from one phase to another phase. So September month is very beautiful for you guys. I feel like that. And look, the last card, you have mediumship. So your intuition is very, very strong here. You have strong intuitive nudges. So remember, so whatever the intuition is like, it will lead to success only. So don't question your intuition. Okay, so you are guided, you are intuitive people. So maybe thoughts, ideas will be there coming to you when you're sleeping. So take, have a dream journal where you can write it out, what came through in your dream. So that will help you. Okay, so yeah, many answers you will get from your inner self, because you are very intuitive. You can channel messages. I feel like that, many of you. So you are connected to the divine. And we got number 33. That is also like connection to the ascended masters, divine. And so you will be connected, and you will be very passionate. You will be very, I think your spirituality, you will be very passionate to that also. You're going to be very, very spiritual. I feel like that. And that's why you will have, you will be not thinking about the things that is not good for you, or the things that is like not helping you in any sense. So you're just letting go and moving forward, and you're breaking free from all the things that our society put on us, and you are exploring yourself, you're growing, you're learning, you're teaching, you're passionate about the loved ones, and you're just so passionate. This is like so much of passionate energy here coming here. Okay, so let's see what are your charms, okay, for group 1. So the charms for group 1, we have this heart chakra. So finally the heart chakra is opening and you're receiving things, because I feel like the many of you were not receiving things because your heart chakra was closed. So finally you're embracing that, you're going within yourself and opening your heart chakra and finally receiving love. Look, love. So whatever the blockages were, I feel it's like moving away. You're in the state of allowing, because you know what you are doing, because you're going within yourself, you're embracing your truth, you're loving yourself. There's so much love. Okay, you have solutions to every problem because your intuition is so strong. You will be getting ideas. But yeah, you have the Saturn energy, so it will make you work hard for sure. You will have to work hard for everything. Okay, so yeah, finally you're coming out of the shell. I feel like that many of you are getting out of your comfort zone and doing things that you thought you will never do, something like that. Okay, so we have the Taurus energy also here. So I think financial gain is also coming, so you will be very passionate about it. So I can see the victory also, so I feel like that victory in finances or something like that. Some money is coming. Okay, because Taurus is about like financial gains, money related things. So yeah, like finally you're being happy, you're like a dolphin, you're not thinking too much and being happy. Okay, so yeah, like fairies, they are so playful. That kind of energy is coming here. Okay, again you got a fairy, so much of playful energy. Okay, so we have a tiger. It's time to it's time to act, it's time to do something risky. Okay, so yes, you're protected, don't worry, you're protected, you are protected, you are so divinely connected people. Okay, so let's see the letters also for you guys. So we have K, we have I, then we have like E, okay, U, J. Okay, so if we had a T, then it would be kite. Then that's mean like flying high. So but we don't have that. Anyways, so that's all I have for group 1. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello group 2, whoever choose this green color. So I feel the green color is about connecting to nature, grounding your energies, meditating. Okay, and it's also about abundance, prosperity. So maybe financial gain is also there this month, September. So let's see what is happening in this month of September. So possibilities. Okay, then we have guidance, then we have moment to moment, and then we have the rebel, and then we have the patience. Okay, so I feel like that in the month of September you will have many possibilities. Okay, so you will be seeing, look at this bird. This bird has the view, like it has a larger view, larger perspective about the things. So I feel like that you will be having many opportunities, many possibilities to do the things your way. And I feel that you will be guided by your divine, by the angels. Okay, maybe some Aries energy, maybe a person who is of Aries sign may be helping you with this things to achieve something. Okay, or maybe you are also Aries, you are on this go energy, where you are like in this masculine energy to go and move forward with your goals. So but there are there are so many possibilities coming for you this month, but you don't have to be in a hurry. Take one step at a time. Even if you fall, it's okay, just get up and go with the flow. Okay, so small steps. Okay, don't expect so much from yourself that you get discouraged. Okay, sometimes it happens, like you have so much of possibilities and you feel like that you are not doing enough, and you will be in this masculine energy, and then what happens is sometimes you fall and you just lose hope. Don't do that. Okay, take small steps to your goals. Don't be in a hurry. Okay, have patience with yourself. And this rebel energy can be very, very masculine, so you are in this rebel energy in the month of September. So try to balance these energies of impatience also. Sometimes you will be very, very impatient, so a little bit patience is needed, and don't expect too much, okay, from yourself. Maybe that will lead to you will feel discouraged. So don't lose hope. So try to maintain the balance. Even though you're doing so much, takes one step at a time. You are being guided with your divine, and maybe someone is guiding you, so listen to them. So I feel like this person who is older than you might be guiding you. Maybe their ideas will work out for you guys. Okay, and look at this patience card. So this is she's pregnant, and pregnancy takes time. It takes several months. You need to nurture yourself, so be patient. And the birthing process is also painful, right? So you need to do the hard work. There is hard work, but don't lose hope. Just keep on going. It's time to go. It's time to be in this masculine energy, but at the same time, when you're feeling tired, take a step back, relax, meditate, and balance that feminine energy also, because you're on the go every time. Go to your goals. Look at this. We have the Saturn energy. So of course, this Saturn energy is going to put some blockages. Something you will have to do, work hard, extra work will come, but at the end of the day you will be wiser. This is needed for your growth, so don't worry. And we have the 6th house. You are going to work hard. Of course, 6th house, Virgo energy. We have this Virgo season also, and you are going to work hard than ever, but don't lose hope. You will get the success, but you have to be patient. You have to take one step at a time to your goals. There are a lot of possibilities for you guys. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, there are so much you can do. And just 2 of Wands of energy, it's also about, I feel like that Aries sign is coming so strong here. And with that Aries sign, you are trying to be perfect also. So don't sometimes things cannot be all the times. Things cannot be perfect, right? So you need to let go of that also. So don't try to be so perfect. Okay, sometimes because of that we lose hope. So don't do that. And concentrate on your health also. Take time off sometimes if you want, because you're so much on the go, so you're not relaxing at all. Okay, so listen to your heart desires also. Okay, so look at this. Let go of the things walk away from the situation in order to resolve it. So sometimes some things doesn't work out the way you want, so you have different possibilities, right? So if something doesn't work out, that means it's not for you. Okay, so just walk away from that and do something differently. Okay, try to do something differently, and you have so much of things to do. You have so much possibilities available to you. Okay, then we have possibilities. Okay, and I feel like this unicorn, here with the wings, angels, and the horse is about free. They're free. They have freedom to do anything. So you will have the freedom to do anything. You don't have to restrict yourself. Okay, for example, if you're trying to if you're trying to lose weight, you have so many different approaches to do that. You can do this diet, you can do that diet. There are so much things to do, right? So don't lose hope. Let go of the things. You might be expecting it to happen very soon, but you have to do it slowly. You have to take one step at a time. So don't expect too much, I would say here. Okay, but of course you have so much of opportunities coming. So even if you are trying to conceive, and if things are not working out, there are so many other possibilities to do the things. Okay, but you will get that opportunity. You will get that, but you have to be patient. Okay, you don't hurry. It's not gonna. Okay, just one step at a time. This is the main message. There is blockages, there is something, there is coming that makes you work hard, but at the same time you can do it. Okay, so don't worry too much. Let go of the overthinking. Let go of the things that is not working for you, and think in a different perspective. you have so many possibilities there. So I feel like that. Look at this. We have this release your ex. So maybe for someone it's time to release that, because you have been holding on to that. Or maybe for some of you it's time to release that things that you feel will not happen for you. You feel that you can't do this, just release that. Okay, that kind of thinking, you need to release that. That kind of overthinking, you need to release that. That kind of self-doubt, you need to release that. Okay, and love yourself first. So this is love, right? You need to love yourself in order to heal. You need to love yourself in order to grow. You need to love yourself first, then try to do something for yourself. Okay, if you don't if you don't love yourself, how will you be able to love others? So it's important that you love yourself first. Take your health first. I think you are that kind of people who do work for other people. So it's time you do something for yourself. Take time for you. Take some time off and relax. Take a vacation, because this divine masculine energy is so high here. So you are on the go, like that kind of energy. You're not resting. You're not receiving. You're just giving. So take time off. Let things happen for you. Relax, go within. Okay, you are in this divine masculine energy all the time, so that's why you're not receiving things. That's why you're like, why this is not happening? You're just doing something, and then that is not working, and then you leave that and do the next one. But instead, just take some time off, then concentrate. Take it slow. Don't be in this hurry energy. I feel this hurry energy coming here, like fast. You want to do everything very, very quickly. So you need to know that sometimes things take time. Okay, so make the effort. You need to make the effort. Okay, so whatever it is, if it's losing weight, you need to make the effort. You need to love yourself. You need to know that every process is like, it will take time. When you are doing something, it will definitely take time. It is not going to be in one day. It cannot be done in one day. So if you plant a seed, it takes oh my god, it takes time to grow. Okay, so remember that. So that is what, don't be in so like hurry to do things. Time is not going away. Okay, there is time, there is enough time, nothing is going away. So don't think like that. Just let go of that overthinking. Let go of that past that is not serving you. Love yourself. Okay, and there are opportunities, there are possibilities, nothing is going away. Okay, just take some time. You are that kind of people who will think that if you will not do this, maybe this opportunity will go. No, it will not go. Just relax. Okay, relax, take one step at a time. Okay, so look at this caretaker. I feel you need to take care of yourself, because you're not doing that. You're not concentrating on yourself. You're not loving yourself. So it's the time to self-love, heal, grow. Take some time off. Take a break. Do something that you love. Instead of focusing on other people, focus on yourself. Okay, things will be okay for you, but just relax. The word is coming here, relax. Okay, be patient, everything is okay. Okay, I feel so kind of like this kind of on the go energy, very high energy, but you need to relax also sometimes, right? So that is what is coming. Okay, everything will be okay. You will get the opportunities. Don't worry about that. Nothing is going from your hand. Time is not slipping away. So be relax. Okay, so that's what is coming here. Okay, so I also became like this. My energy is also so high now. Okay, E, Q, O, look, V, look, love is so important for you. Love yourself, guys. Love yourself first. Self-love, very important here. A, L, and N, and C. Okay, we got this LOA also, law of attraction, if you are doing. Okay, that might work for you. Okay, so your manifestations are coming. So just Be patient. So sometimes what happens with the manifestations, you're on the thinking part, you overthink so much that you're not allowing it. So it's time to allow also. So please relax yourself, meditate, okay? Don't think too much. You're thinking too much, and you are doing your work, but you're not waiting, you're not patient, okay? So just have that patience also. Okay, I know the patience word is not so good, because I also don't like it, because I also tend to be so impatient, but that is what it is. You need to be patient. Things like that, things happen like that only, guys. You need to wait. Look, the parrot, someone is like there who is like, go it talks back, or something like that kind of energy. So don't go into that kind of arguments with that people. Just don't, ignore them, okay? You're very courageous. You're like a cactus, okay guys? You're very, very courageous. So whatever hard work, you will do the hard work, you will grow, you will, okay? So don't lose faith, don't lose hope. Love yourself. That's it. Be playful, okay? Relax. I just that word is coming, relax. You're so high on the energy, you're always go, so you're not relaxing. So take some time off, dance it out, do something crazy, do something that you like, okay? Look, again, the Aries energy. Yes, you're always on the go, and look, free from, free yourself from that. You got the unicorn, you have this possibility. So many possibilities are there for you. So you are just thinking that if you don't do this today, you will lose out on that. No, you will not lose out, okay? You will get it. So relax and allow the energy, allow the things to manifest. You're divine, not in this feminine, the feminine and the masculine should be balanced. It's not balanced. You're just going, you're not receiving, because you're so much on the go. You're always on the go. So take care of yourselves, love, take time out, and then meditate and go within, and then do, relax and do, okay? So that's all I have for group 2. Hope you like the reading. If you like, give it a subscribe, thumbs up. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello group 3, whoever chose this color purple. So I feel that you are connecting to your divine. Okay, I feel like you're getting so much of inner guidance in the month of September. You're finally getting ideas, motivation from the divine, and you're connecting to the source. Wow, that's beautiful. The first card here is isolation, then clinging to the past, then we have consciousness, and we have, sorry for that, the source. Okay, so finally you are leaving your past behind. Wow, what a beautiful energy here. So finally the things that were hurting you, like too much, like so much of hurt, you were clinging on to that, right? So finally you have like 2 aces here, Ace of Swords and Ace of Wands. So finally you're getting out of this energy, you're getting the clarity, okay? You're getting the answers, and finally you're moving on from anything that was stopping you. You're moving to a new relationship, whatever it is. You're moving to a new phase in your life. You're growing spiritually, you're connecting with your source, you're connecting with your divine, you're getting out of this phase. So that is the beautiful thing that you're doing. You're getting out of your past, you're moving ahead, and you are growing, okay? You're connecting to the divine, you are being very passionate about the things you need to do in your life. You're getting clarity, you're getting success, okay? 2 aces is about joy, fulfillment, happiness. So you have so much of new things, new growth, transformation is happening, right? Okay, so the next 2 cards here we have is like Taurus and Gemini. So you might be a Taurus or a Gemini, or you're dealing with a Taurus or a Gemini, can be that. Or I feel that you're going to be very, very grounded during the month of September, and you're communicating, okay? So there is so much of communication happening with the divine. You're getting so much of guidance, you're getting so much of thoughts, ideas. So write it down, okay? I would say that write, you will get so many messages, right? So much of communication is happening, and you are also going to communicate. You are also going to communicate your thoughts and ideas to other people who need that. And I feel like you are being very grounded, and you will be loving yourself. You will be glowing, you are transforming yourself, you're glowing out, your outer self is glowing, as well as the inner self is also glowing. I feel like that. because you're connecting to the divine, you're getting into spirituality, and you're getting into meditation, and you're finding inner peace. So that's why your home life is also going to be very, very good. And finally, you're breaking free from all the things that was not serving you and going into a new phase in your life. Okay, look at this. We have this 22 card and yin and yang. So finally your divine masculine and your divine feminine energy is getting balanced, and you will have like a balanced month. I feel like very balanced month. So how much you put in, you will get it back. So it's like a like how much energy you're putting in, you will get it back also in relationship or in your love life or in your career. So that is what the balance is there. Okay, and then we have this, look at this, move into your true self, rise above the darkness, the light is here. So finally you are moving into your true self. Finally you are seeing the light here. There was a long darkness, finally that has gone, and you're in the period of light, and you're growing like the snake, regenerating like the snake. Okay, you're very courageous now. You're letting your past go. You have endured a lot. You are very, very courageous people. And finally you are embracing the truth and moving forward. You're accepting your past and letting go of it and moving forward. Okay, so we have this man holding a coin. So I feel a tarot sign is coming into your life, a Virgo, Capricorn. If you are female, they might be helping you with finances, making a good home life with you, something like that is also coming here. Or maybe if you're a male, I feel like that your finances are improving, your business is, if you're doing a business or in career, things are improving, finances are improving. Okay, so I feel like that also. So it's a period of growth. September is a period of growth, a new beginnings. Okay, communication is coming. If you're waiting for some things to happen, communication, so that is also coming. Some news is coming, I feel like that. And your butterfly, the transformation, you have the snake and the butterfly. It's all about regeneration, becoming a new person all over again. Okay, so I feel like that also. And look at this author. So I feel, as I said, many thoughts, many ideas are coming inside you. So your inner guidance is strong, so write it down in a journal, or you can journal, you can manifestation will be powerful for you. And maybe you need to write more, maybe you need to write a book, maybe you need to express yourself through your words, your ideas. Okay, so in your work you need to write more. Maybe your work is to write something like articles or something like that. Communication is there. Okay, you will be motivating other people, you will be inspiring other people through your writing, because you have endured a lot. Your experiences will help other people. Okay, so you are becoming stronger, more passionate, and you're very courageous now. Okay, so the next two cards are, look, express your love and getting to know each other. So for many of you, if you're in a relationship, you will be expressing, you will be if you're not expressing, just express your love, buy flowers or do some cooking for them, then appreciate, maybe a compliment will be enough. So do that, and you will be knowing each other more and more. You will be growing together. So if you're in a relationship, I feel like that your relationship is going to be good this month. You will be knowing each other more and more, and you will be expressing your love. Okay, so that is also coming here. For single people, I feel like you're on this mode of dating and all. You're just trying that also. Maybe you're loving yourself more. Self-love is here. Okay, so you're loving yourself, you're getting back on track, you're writing your thoughts, you're being passionate about your career. So yes, you're back. That's what it is. You're back. And look at this, you have this, your confidence is back, and your prayers are being heard. So don't worry, the divine is listening to you. They are answering your prayers. So don't lose faith, just keep the hope alive. Everything is good. You're going to be very, very confident this month of September, and be that boss lady you are, or boss, you are whoever you are. So yes, you're going to be like feeling very good and very confident this month, and you will be expressing yourself. So much of communication, you will be expressing your truth, you're regenerating, you're growing as a person, you're connecting. Your spirituality is like going into a new level. So much of changes, new beginnings, new life. I feel like that you're glowing inside and out. So much of newness, you're expressing yourself so much. I think you will be giving motivation to other people. You will be inspiring other people, because you have endured so much, right? So let's see for the charms and the letters what you have. You have D, you have I, and you have are. So getting rid of all these feelings, rid of the past and moving forward. And then you have E, and then you have like R again. So we see this red and red. Red is about getting very courageous. We have this red color here also, you know, I feel like that red is there. You are being very courageous, moving forward, not thinking too much. You have the keys, okay, you have the keys, you have the solutions, okay. So you have this magic wand also. So if you're manifesting something, I feel like that things are, you know, your manifestations are coming, okay. Look at this inner peace. Finally you're finding the inner peace. Finally you're growing, self growth, so much of self growth. Finally you're loving yourself, self love is coming, okay. You're transforming to a new person, butterfly. You're here also, butterfly. Look, Gemini energy, you're transforming. It is not going to be very, very fast but definitely you are, okay. It's a stable energy though. Then love, so much of love is coming. And look at this, you know, self love. I feel self love. You're loving yourself, okay. And you know, goddess, I think the ocean goddess is blessing you with fortune, blessings, financial gain. I feel like that. And look, commitment is also coming. Maybe you're committed to love, work, whatever. You're being committed to anything, you will be committed to that, okay. You'll be committed to your self growth, your self love, okay. And yes, we have so much of like leaves, growth, renewals, new beginnings, okay. And then you're going to be very intelligent. I feel like that. You know what you want to do with your life and getting rid of the bad feelings, you know, getting into that state, meditative state, where you're expressing yourself and like you're knowing yourself well and praying to divine and being very, very, very faithful and having faith and hope alive. So that's all I have for group 3. I hope you like my reading. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care.